In this video, we are going to see how we can book a sales invoice in Zoho. As of 14th of January, it says sales made of following items to Mr. Justin. So if it mentions the customer name, that means we are supplying them on credit. So to enter the sales invoice, we just click on the quick create option on the top right. And under the sales, we have this invoices section. Just click here. Customer name is Justin. Invoice number is automatically mentioned. We just have to change the date. The date of transaction is 14th of January. It's due on receipt, so I'll keep the settings as it is. And the items are Corolla windscreen. Quantity is 25, rate is 560. So now we can see the rate is upgraded. So rate is 560. Civic headlights is the next item, Civic headlights. Quantity is 15, rate is 210. And this makes the total to 3150. The next item is Prius filters. Quantity is 10, rate is 70. And this makes the total to 700. Just check and confirm once all the totals are correct. Just make sure all are correct. You can enter any customer notes, terms and conditions, and otherwise you can save it directly. I have not received any payment. We just have to book a sales invoice, save and send, or we can change it to save and send later. So let's go and book that. Schedule. No, I don't want to schedule the email. Cancel. So this is the sales invoice booked. If you want to check the journal entry effect, we can do so by clicking on the three dots and click on view journal. But since this says journal entries will not be available for the invoices in draft state, so it is in draft state, we can click on send invoice, or otherwise, since it is a draft state, we can click on mark as sent, and now it is properly booked. Click on the three dots and click on view journal. If it is still not able to show, you can click on reports and journal report from the favorite section. Just specify the time period. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to upgrade the reports, so that's not a problem. You can just update from here, run report. And this is our invoice of 14th of January. Account receivable is 17,850. Sales is 17,850. So account receivable to sales and cost of goods sold to inventory. So this is how we can record a credit sales invoice in Zoho. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.